A woman was accused of using the children's game Roblox to mastermind a murder plot against a baby. She allegedly gave a 10-year-old step-by-step instruction on how to kill the infant. But when it was all said and done, she walked free. This is the story of Tara Sykes, and it's a case that makes you wonder, what is the price of a child's life? This all starts in October of 2024, down in Escambia County, Florida. An investigation kicks off when a 2-month-old baby is rushed to the hospital with serious injuries. He had been dropped on a hard tile floor. During a forensic interview, a 10-year-old girl from the home drops a bombshell. She did it, but it wasn't her idea. She claimed she was just following the orders from a woman she met on Roblox, 37-year-old Tara Sykes. The details that came from the 10-year-old's testimony were just horrifying. She told investigators that Sykes had given her explicit instructions on how to murder the 2-month-old. The methods were brutal: drown him in the bathtub, burn him with scalding water, or drop him on the floor, which is what ultimately happened. But the alleged plot didn't stop there. Sykes also reportedly told the child to murder her temporary guardians by slitting their throats while they slept. And for good measure, she was supposed to burn the house down by dousing bedsheets with aerosol spray and setting them on fire. The girl admitted she tried to do it but couldn't get the fire to start. She told authorities she was terrified of Sykes, convinced the woman would kill her if she didn't do what she was told. When police finally arrested Sykes, body cam photos showed her looking completely baffled as they charged her with attempted murder. The case was so strange that Escambia County Sheriff Chip Simmons, a man with over 40 years in law enforcement, said he'd never seen anything quite like this, but the investigation soon hit a massive and very modern roadblock. Sykes and the girl had been talking on Roblox, but when the company checked its own records, it found something that changed everything. While they confirmed the two had been in contact, Roblox stated the chats were in policy and didn't contain any of the violent instructions police were describing. This created a huge problem. Police said witnesses had seen the messages before they were deleted, but Roblox said their logs, including deleted chats, showed no evidence of a murder plot.
Excuse me, Sheriff's Office.
Jesus, sorry, you scared me. Honey, the cops are here.
Tara?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I know.
Can you come out here and speak to us?
Yeah? They're arresting me.
Hi.
Did I do something? Okay, I haven't been home all day. My dogs are outside.
Okay, we'll take care of you, okay? We're not.
I'm sorry, you scared the crap out of me.
It happens sometimes.
I literally just got home. I was out fishing.
Catch anything?
A little baby fish.
Yeah.
Freshwater fishing?
Yes, sir, downtown.
Oh, man, that's nice.
Did I miss something?
We'll explain everything too. We just got a couple of procedural things we got to do, get you secure and all that, and then
I do have an attorney. Can you call them? Do I need them present?
No.
we can't make that decision for you.
We'll talk just a second. Just give us just a second, sweetie.
Okay.
What kind of dogs you got?
Goldadors. They're service dogs.
Goldadors?
Yeah, Golden Labrador Retriever.
Right outside here. You got a bench or something we can sit on?
Yes, sir.
What do we need to do to, are they okay in the backyard?
No, they need to be brought in. And my husband's at work. He's on his way home. And no, sir, they don't. They're serviced.
So are they going to get out if they're staying in the backyard? What I don't want to happen is to be in your house and then go to the bathroom in your house. I don't know how long your husband's going to be or anything like that.
You scared me. I'm sorry.
You're fine. Will they be okay if they're left outside?
I'd prefer they not be left outside.
Okay.
Wow, so many of y'all. It's kind of intimidating.
Oh, no. Nothing to be intimidated about.
I don't have anything
We're
on
nice.
me.
We're going to treat you like you're one of us.
We're all human beings.
I'm just trying to figure out what the best plan is for your
Is
dogs.
this door open, Sarah?
No, sir, you have to go through my home, into my back, and, Am I going to jail?
We'll talk to you just a second. Let's just one thing at a time.
Like I said, we didn't just do a couple procedural things. Is your
to call my attorney?
Is your backyard secure? Like they can't get out of it?
No, sir. They can't get out of it.
Okay.
Really facing. Okay.
And they're not like chained up, right? They got free range of your backyard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's a golden door?
Yes, sir. It's a golden retriever Labrador. There's 2 of them.
There's 3 dogs back there.
Yep, they
Okay.
have a pit bull.
I got you.
Okay, that's not
I was like, that's not it.
Can I call my attorney real quick before I speak with you guys?
Are you wanting to talk to your attorney before? I'm Investigator Lloyd, so I was going to explain everything to you once we get you to the Tahoe. So do you want to talk to your attorney before you answer any questions?
Yes, please.
Okay. Well, you're being charged with principal and first degree to attempted homicide. Okay? That's what your warrant's for. So,
Attempted homicide?
yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Yes, can I please talk with my attorney?
Hey, what do we need to do for your garage door?
If you go in by my, I'm sorry, a million miles a minute.
You're fine. I just want to make sure it's closed so when somebody goes in your garage.
If you go in by the door near my house, my kitchen door, there's 2 buttons on the wall. It's a brown box. You just close those.
I don't want to close my deputy in there. Is that going?
You can walk through my house and
Then you want us to lock your front door up?
yes, please. Can I just tell you the
Doesn't have
code?
a key.
It's an automatic code. I am so confused.
Come on.
Wow, so many of y'all. What'd I do?
He just told you what you did.
No, but that's where I'm confused, sir. I've been home.
I
And
got
then
you.
I went fishing with my friend.
I understand that. You'll get the copy of the report at the jail.
I'm going to jail?
Yes.
Okay, I really need to talk to my attorney.
You'll talk to him once you get to the jail and get a phone call.
Do I have bond?
I don't know. I haven't looked at the warrant. He got the warrant. He got the paperwork. 305. I got one detained.
Oh my gosh. I am so confused and I'm scared.
You got one detained.
I didn't touch it. I didn't do anything.
Jesus Christ.
Are you going to be picking up my husband? Did y'all double lock me?
Yeah, he did.
Oh. Oh my God. What'd I do?
Hey, Lord, is it already on the server?
Yeah, it's already active.
All right, I'm going to go and take her
All right, I appreciate it. Well, let me fill this out real quick.
and give it to her. Okay. Yeah.
My husband and I, you have me, so he doesn't go getting worried.
Well, you better make a phone call in the jail. Nah, he said he got to give her a property receipt for a phone and stuff.
Is there any way you guys can charge my phone so I can get the numbers out of it?
The jail will let you do that.
I don't know what I'm going to jail for.
Yeah, you'll get the copy of the report. I'm about to go pick it up in a second.
But see, what report? I'm confused. Y'all just put me in handcuffs and put me in a car.
Car 279.
The complainant advised just off of Charity Top.
10-4, I think we got the address from his name to 5800.
Yeah, it's not going to be here.
You know, then I get to use the restroom.
Yeah, at the jail. Once you get booked.
That's not going to be the 5800, I guess, is in there. I'm not sure. My 37 got the address.
How is this going to affect my car?
Your bond is already set by the judge until you go to first appearance.
Dallas, Houston.
But I'm currently out on bond, sir.
Well, that's something that you're gonna have to do. I don't know. I've never been arrested and out on bond, so you're gonna have to deal with that at first appearance.
Oh my God, I have no idea what's going on.
Press 371.
So I'm gonna have to stay in jail overnight?
Whatever your report say.
Michigan and Nashville. She's 09.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What'd you say?
Whatever the judge say, if you get a bond or not.
10-4.
Since it's Friday, will I have to wait till Monday to see a judge?
That I don't know. It's up to the system. This how it works. Law enforcement writes reports. It gets approved and sent to the judge. After the judge signs off on it, law enforcement don't have no other hands on it but to arrest you and take you to jail. Whatever the judge and they schedule and all that, that's what the courts and what they decide. As soon as we write our reports and we send it to the judge sign off on a warrant. The judge said everything. It should be on the report where you have your court date and your first appearance. You're gonna have first appearance regardless. I just don't know when. It's up to the jail. It's up to the courts, and it's whatever the jail, whatever they schedule says. We don't have no hands with first appearance or what court dates be assigned on warrants.
Is there a warrant for my husband for anything?
I don't know.
I'm just as confused as whatever, because I saw the name. I haven't spoken with her.
Oh, talking about on the report right here?
Yeah. I have not violated that at all.
Well, you'll get the copy of the full report to find out why you're in this situation.
What you're arresting me for? Am I going away for a long time?
Man, I just picked you up on a warrant. I didn't do the report. So we got called and said you had a warrant for your arrest, and we showed up and brought you in.
I get I had a warrant, but I really feel like my attorney should have said, hey, you have a warrant, you need to come in, we need to talk about it, you need to go turn yourself in or something. Because I have no idea what I'm being arrested for. I haven't even been around.
Well, on here it says, intentionally committed one count offense, principle of first degree to attempted murder while engaged in aggravated child abuse.
What?
While instructing to purposely drop on the floor and attempted to end his life.
Oh my God! I had nothing to do with that.
So that's what it says.
Oh my
Can
God!
you be en route to 3905 West Mallory
I've
Street?
never even met the baby.
I understand that, but you just something that you're gonna have to.
Oh my God!
Something that you're gonna have to get a hold of right there.
Oh my God! They told my attorney that was an accident. I've never even met that baby.
410
He charged for something. I've never even met him.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh my God! No, you don't. No, you don't, sir. I've never even met that baby. And all my visits are supervised at Lakeview.
I understand.
Isn't this on video? How do I fight that?
You got first appearance in court.
Oh my God.
Hold on a second.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a setup. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This cannot be happening to me. You don't understand. All my visits are supervised.
I understand that. And
No.
like I said, the deputy that's investigating this case, he sees your iPhone and your Apple Watch.
Okay. Seize it.
Okay.
Yeah. No, that's fine.
That's what you get something showing us what this property receipt for.
There's nothing on it.
I got you.
Oh my God.
Despite the shaky digital evidence, the state went all in, hitting Sykes with some incredible serious charges. Principal to attempted first-degree premeditated murder, 2 counts of soliciting murder, and child abuse. A conviction felt like a sure thing, and then the twist. In early 2026, prosecutors suddenly dropped the 3 homicide-related charges and a child cruelty charge. In a move that shocked just about everyone, Tara Sykes pled no contest to just one, much lesser charge, child neglect. Her sentence was 11 months and 30 days in jail, but she was given credit for 462 days she had already served. Just like that, her sentence was complete. For a lot of people, this felt like a complete failure of justice. So how did it happen? Well, you have to look at Sykes' history. Just a few moments before all this, in May of 2024, Sykes was arrested on a totally separate child neglect charge. Investigators found she had let a 20-year-old man live in her home, knowing he had gotten her 14-year-old daughter pregnant. The girl was also found to be suffering from malnutrition. Sykes was even accused of trying to extort $10,000 from the man's grandmother, threatening to have him harmed if she didn't get the money. This prior case painted a pretty clear picture of child endangerment, which makes the plea deal in the Roblox case all the more baffling. While Sykes is still in jail waiting for her trial in that other neglect case, the resolution of the murder plot allegations have left a lot of people deeply unsettled. Tara Sykes was accused of using a child to try and commit a murder, but she never faced a conviction for it. The justice system had disturbing testimony on one side and a total lack of digital evidence on the other, and it landed on a conclusion that feels deeply unsatisfying. What do y'all think? What was the major failure of the system, or was it the only logical outcome given the evidence? Let me know what y'all think in the comments below respectfully. And if you're interested in more cases that make you question everything, make sure y'all subscribe. And thanks to everyone for watching.